Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and then opening Visual Studio 2022. You already installed data tools and have SQL Server running. Now open Server Explorer. Once done, right-click Data Connections and choose Add Connection to start a new connection. Make sure to select Microsoft SQL Server as the data source, then type the server name you noted earlier. If you plan to use SQL logins, switch authentication to SQL Server and enter credentials. This gets you into the connection dialog to test and proceed. Now configure the detailed connection settings so your app can reach the database reliably. You choose an existing database from the drop-down or attach an MDF file, then set the default database. Once selected, click Test Connection to validate credentials and network reachability. If you see timeouts or authentication errors, adjust the connection timeout and double-check SQL Server network configuration. When the test passes, save the connection to Server Explorer and copy the connection string into your project configuration file for runtime use. To finalize, add the appropriate ado. NET provider or new, get package and reference the saved connections string in your code. You should run a simple select query or scaffold models with Entity Framework to confirm read/write access. Once confirmed, make sure connection pooling and command timeouts are set appropriately for production. If something goes wrong, a key troubleshooting tip. Verify SQL Browser and TCP 1433 are enabled. Confirm mixed mode authentication if using SQL logins, and ensure the server name matches exactly including instance name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.